JarkhandJosh.com brings for its readers current affairs bulletin for the period 27th August to 30th August 2016, which will be of immense help to the students in the preparation of different competitive exams. Current affairs headlines: Padma Sachdev gets Saraswati Samman for the year 2015. National Sports Day observed. India-Myanmar signed 4 agreements to boost bilateral cooperation. India, the US signed Logistics Exchange Memorandum of Agreement. UNUEHS releases World Risk Report 2016. Union Finance Ministry constitutes high-level committee to suggest steps to promote card payments. US President Obama expands Papahanao Mokukia Marine National Monument of Hawaii. ISRO successfully test fires Scramjet rocket engine. Current affairs in detail. Padma Sachdev gets Saraswati Samman for year 2015. She was awarded for her autobiography Chit Chete. She was facilitated by Delhi's Lieutenant Governor Najib Jung. Chit Chete, written in Dogri language, was published in 2007. She is the first woman poet in Dogri language. She is the recipient of Padma Shri and Sahitya Akademi Award. National Sports Day observed. The day is observed across India on 29th August 2016. The day is celebrated to mark the birth anniversary of legendary hockey player Dhyan Chand. Dhyan Chand was born on 29th August 1905. On the occasion, President Pranab Mukherjee conferred National Sports and Adventure Awards. India-Myanmar signed 4 agreements to boost bilateral cooperation. MOU on cooperation in the construction of 69 bridges was signed. MOU on cooperation in the construction of the Kalewa-Yagi Road section was signed. MOU on cooperation in the field of renewable energy was signed. MOU on cooperation in the field of traditional systems of medicine was also signed. Pacts were signed during Myanmar President U Hatin Kyao's visit to India. India, the US signed Logistics Exchange Memorandum of Agreement. Now, 2 forces can use each other's bases for repair and replenishment of supplies. It makes joint operations easier and more efficient. It does not allow each nation to set up bases on the other. It was inked during Defense Minister Manohar Parrikar's visit to the US. UNUEHS releases World Risk Report 2016. India ranked 77th in the World Disaster Risk Index. The report analyzes the role of infrastructure in shaping a country's disaster risk. It measures the risk of becoming victim of natural disasters. Vanuatu, with index value 36.28, is the country with highest risk of disaster. Tonga and the Philippines were ranked at 2nd and 3rd position. Union Finance Ministry constitutes high-level committee to suggest steps to promote card payments. The 11-member committee will be headed by former Finance Secretary Ratan P. Wattal. It was constituted with an aim to discourage cash transactions. It will recommend various measures to incentivize transactions through cards and digital means. It will study feasibility of creating payments history of all digital payments. It will suggest regulatory mechanism under various laws. US President Obama expands Papahanao Mokukia Marine National Monument of Hawaii. Now, the existing monument will expand by 442,781 square miles. With expansion, the total protected area of the monument will go up to 582,578 square miles. Expansion will help to protect more than 7,000 species and improve ecological resources. It will prohibit all commercial resource extraction activities, including commercial fishing. The monument was originally created in 2006 by President George W. Bush. ISRO successfully test fires Scramjet rocket engine. Scramjet engines use hydrogen as fuel and the oxygen from the atmospheric air as the oxidizer. The rocket carrying scramjet engines weighed 3,277 kg at liftoff. After a flight of about 300 seconds, the vehicle touched down in the Bay of Bengal. With this, India joined the select league of 4 nations that have demonstrated flight testing of scramjet engines. For more on current affairs, log on to jagranjosh.com.